Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add neon outline to your video on Filmora 14. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project on my Filmora application. And first of all, I'm going to remove the background of this video. I'm going to click on my video and we can go to the AI tool. And to remove the background of this video, I'm going to use this feature, AI Portrait Cutout. We can click on this toggle button to apply this feature to our video, and we can monitor the process here. We just need to wait until 100%, and after the background has been removed, we're going to apply the outline here. So this is the preview of the neon outline or neon border. After the background has been removed, I'm gonna immediately apply this outline to my video. Okay guys, and it's still processing. Now the background of this video is being removed. And just remember that this feature can only be applied to the portrayed video. It means that a video which contain like human body. Okay, and wait. Okay, now it's done. As you can see that the background of this video has been removed, and I'm going to apply this neon border. Okay, and this is the result. You can change the color if you want. I'm going to select purple. Okay, and we can enhance it and also customize the opacity. Okay guys, and that's all the way to apply neon outline to our video on Filmora. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!